Hi, folks. Welcome to week 7. I hope everyone is doing well. Please be safe out there. I am not encouraged by what I've seen in the news lately, people gathering. I don't care what you believe, wear your mask, practice social distancing. It's not just to protect yourself, it's to protect those who are vulnerable in our community. Enough PSA. Just wanted to mention what's happening this week. We're kind of turning the corner into the final third of the semester, and a lot of work is coming up, but it's all related, so that's a good thing. The stuff you'll be working on for the next few weeks will be in some ways contributing to the final research paper. But this week is another workshop on the synthesis essay. And it follows the same pattern as previous workshops. Submit your rough draft by 11:59 p.m. Wednesday. Your critiques are due by 11:59 p.m. Friday, and the final draft of your synthesis essay by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Also watch the video on the topic proposal, the presentation, and the final research paper. This is important information because it all relates essentially to the final research paper. And like I said in the previous announcements and videos, if you want to write about the topic of your synthesis essay, feel free, because you got some information generated already for the final research paper there. So I would highly encourage it. Also due this week, it's optional. You're not required to watch the film Messiah: The Rain Warriors, and it is an extra credit quiz. I forgot how many points it is, 10 or 20, I don't know. But if you need the points, watch the film. It's a great film. It was shot around 15 years ago, but it uses real Maasai people as actors speaking their language, Ma, and it's an amazing film just because like I said, in the past I've lived and worked with the Maasai, so I got to know them fairly well. And this is a pretty accurate depiction of their culture. So there's nothing really here that I would balk at. It's pretty accurate and quite revealing of the Maasai people. And it's a great story to boot. So I think you'll really enjoy the film. It is a fictional film, by the way. So watch that. There is a link. If you go to the to-do list, you'll find a link to it through a website called Kanopy. And again, it's just like Hoopla. You have to have a library account in order to be able to watch that movie for free. But I think with Kanopy, you get 4 free viewings a month. So you can watch it 4 times and then you're done for the month. But otherwise, the other way to find it is just do a basic search in the library search engine, and you'll see a link to the film, to Kanopy. All right, folks, that's it. I hope everyone's doing well, and stick with it, folks. You can do it. We don't have much more time left, so good luck. And if you have questions, feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.